Gang, welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. Okay, it's your girl Jeanina here, and I am back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I am super duper excited, okay, because we are testing out a product called Javy Coffee, and I am calling it the coffee of the future. Okay, now let me explain to you guys why I'm calling it the coffee of the future. Now, our traditional coffee, which is normally our K-cups, our traditional coffee grounds and beans, and with that comes tons of waste, okay? We're totally wasting plastic and resources by throwing away all those cans, all those bags the coffee beans come in, all those little plastic K-cups, and also with traditional coffee comes the cost. Okay, it's expensive to be a coffee lover out here, okay? It's expensive to go to Starbucks, it's expensive to go to Dunkin' Donuts, and it's expensive, period, to love coffee. Well, Javy Coffee is a microdose coffee. Now, don't run, girl, because when they hear microdose or instant coffee, people run. Don't run yet, okay? Let me explain. Javy Coffee, you guys, is a concentrated microdose coffee. One bottle of Javy Coffee is going to give you 30 servings, okay? It's less than $20, which is roughly 60 cents a coffee. Definitely saving you money. Also, it is tasty, 100% artisan roasted Arabica beans. You interested yet? I am too. Let's go test it out. Okay, we are in the kitchen, girl. Y'all ready? Let's do an unboxing. Javy Coffee claims that there are absolutely no limits to what you can make with this product. You can make iced coffee, hot coffee, plain black coffee. All you need is a little bit of creativity. So let's make some coffee. According to Javy Coffee, all you need is your favorite liquid, either water or milk. It doesn't matter. I am going to make an iced coffee today, so I'm going to start with a little bit of water, a little bit more than half of the glass filled with water. We're gonna take our ice. Javy Coffee says a teaspoon per cup. I am going to use just a little bit more because I do like my coffee a bit strong. We're gonna mix that together. Now I'm going to take some whole milk. And my favorite white chocolate mocha International Delight creamer, just to top it off. Now we're going to give it a stir. What I will say, you guys, it's very easy and very convenient. No brewing, no fumbling around with cups. Pretty straightforward and easy, right? Now, let's test it out. It's actually very good. Let's get into my final thoughts on this Javy Coffee review, you guys. One thing I'm gonna say is that it's super duper convenient. Okay, like I said, there's no fumbling with K-cups and beans and grinds. There's no brewing time or anything. You just instantly have some coffee here. You just need to add either milk or water or whatever you want to mix in with your coffee and get creative. That part is easy, okay, because especially with me having a family and stuff, I feel like my life is very hectic and I can't stop sometimes to brew me some coffee, you know? So this is perfect and easy and convenient for me. I love the taste. It's very flavorful. I'm glad that I put a little bit of extra coffee in there, or a little bit extra of the concentrate in there, because I do like a little bit more of a stronger coffee. When I go to Starbucks and I get an iced coffee, I ask them if they can put another shot of coffee in there, just because I kind of need the wake up, okay? Or I need the caffeine effect, and I just like that taste. So I will say it's very easy to either ramp up the amount of coffee you want, or either die down the amount of coffee you want. So I feel like that is great as well. Now, another part I want to touch on is the price. The price for something like this is very important. Now, the price is a little less than $20, like I said. So for each cup of coffee, it's less than 60 cents, or around 60 cents per cup, which is really, really good. And like I said, one bottle of the Javy coffee does make 30 servings of coffee. So I feel like you're definitely saving money next to walking into a Starbucks or a Dunkin' Donuts and paying $4 to $5 each for a coffee, okay? So in case you're wondering, I definitely recommend this product. You guys want to try out Javy Coffee or purchase anything from Javy Coffee, Javy Coffee was so kind to give me a discount code to provide for you guys for monies off your purchase, and it will be down in the description box below. Javy Coffee was also kind enough to send me this product to review for you guys, so thank you so much, Javy Coffee, for partnering with me on this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to my channel, girl, and if you do subscribe, and make sure you do turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time the gang posts a video, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.